Hello everyone. I guess this is the meeting for Marathi text to speech project, and I will try to explain what is requirement here. So let me first start with the share screen option. Uh, then let me start something like paint. I can draw and explain. So what is expected from this project? So we know that Alexa or a Google Home, everything is built on a concept of English text to speech. So basically, it searches from the Google those results and speak out in English. Now, Marathi text to speech is basically the natural sounding Marathi is not there. You can say NINAD. Uh, this is a Marathi word. It should have pronunciation like Ninad, but it will pronounce like Ninad. So this pronunciation difference can be corrected if you give a correct uh, way or correct English spelling for the pronunciation. So this is the actual spelling, and this is the new spelling, which is then pronounced correctly. Now there are multiple text-to-speech in English, text-to-speech machines. Pico is there, which is commonly used with Python. Then there are standard Windows TTS available, which has mic. Uh, then there is, I guess, Kate and Sarah, I guess. So there are many free text to speech. So Mike is male voice, Kate is female voice, and then there are other adjustment like speed, pause, etc., etc. So our aim of this project is there is Google Input Sadhane where we can type Marathi directly, and when we type it, it should be able to speak that type sentences correctly. Now, to make it speak, we have to do this kind of mapping. So, which word has this? Now, there is one Marathi word called lo. Now, this even most of the Indians cannot pronounce. They pronounce it as lo. Like my surname is Mehendare. Now, how the other Indians will pronounce it as? They will pronounce it as Mehendale. So, uh, again, that part if I want to pronounce, just forget about R, but can we pronounce Mehendale also? So to do that, in order to do that, I have to type on my screen something like this. Then it got pronounced correctly. So it says May and the lay. So this is the project. Like what inputs should be given in an automated manner to produce the correct Indian sounds or correct Marathi sounds. Now, Marathi, once it is developed for Marathi, I guess it can easily work for Hindi, it can easily work for other Indian languages, and similar work can be done. So, let's say we have to create a mapping that shows Mahendra on screen, and then there could be Mehendale actual spelling, and then there could be pronunciation spelling, may and the lay, and then there could be final sound output. That sounds like Mehendale. Now you can figure out how to find this extra word, like in there are some special characters like Rishi or hello, follow, and so on. So this is what the entire emphasis of the project is. So I want the student to start with building a dictionary. First, they should find different kind of a correct approach to process this project would be first they should find a text to speech code. Now there are many directly available codes. I know few of them are directly available on MATLAB. There are multiple codes available on Python nowadays. There are few earlier codes which were on C, and maybe you can find something on Java also. So that is the first task student should do. They should make English text-to-speech work on their PC by coding. Because if you don't do it by coding, if you use Microsoft tool or any software you download it, then you cannot modify it. So first thing I want you to build is English TTS. Once this task is complete, second is, so I need a code for it, and that complete code line by line you should know. So line by line code and explanation needs to be submitted. Uh, I guess there are 3 students. So you can split the work amongst yourself. You discuss with each other, and one person could be the responsible person, and other two can help him in that particular task. And similarly, that same person will not be responsible for second task. So only one person per task is what we expect. Second person will build the correct pronunciation. Now he can start building this dictionary for correct pronunciations in Marathi. So like I said, Mehendale. So similarly, he has to generate a deep learning code. So you have to manually feed some inputs that this is correctly pronounced, and for that you can use Natural TTS, which is a free software, natural text to speech. Now don't download the file because it only allows 5 files in a day. So natural text to speech or any other free text to speech engine from the internet you can use, and make him speak Marathi. So you should your software should able to say मी जातो आहे, मी जातो आहे, असे sound नाही आले पाहिजे. So that pronunciation should be correct. You find out the delays and so on. And now you find out first top 100 sentences that people generally speak in a day. Now for that you will have to, so that will be task 3. uh, that is top 100 statements collection with the help of Google Form. So you send a Google Form and collect what 100 statements. I may not be 100 statement one person can write, but one can write what top 10 sentences a speaker speak, and you send this form to hundreds so that you get number of statements. You ask people top 10 sentences in Marathi that they speak every day, okay, whatever they are, and then we build a data set for that using this task 2, and then finally we go for the task 1. Now I know this project cannot be completed by a internship work. It's a very vast project, but at least we could just start and generate a 10% of it. At the end of the day, we should publish a manuscript on this. So text to speech project in Marathi. So I guess that's it for the introduction. And now I guess you have channel to proceed. Second thing I would like to inform you is, if you want to search for any literature, find out. I don't think there will be any, but for that you have to use a website called Google Scholar. So on Google, you can search for Scholar, and then go to Google Scholar and search papers there. To download these papers, you can use Sci-Hub, or you can use a free hosted um, websites. Um, any website could do, where you can download these papers. If you don't find any paper and you think it is text to speech in Marathi paper and you need it because you want to say how they have done it, so you can ask us to download it. You may find some papers on text to speech in other languages other than English, could be like German, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, and so on. So you can see how they have done it and get some ideas from it. So one person who is not floating in the forms and not doing the coding can help me find the literature search and methods and make a PPT on it. So I will stop this video.